Staying healthy doesn't have to cost a fortune. In this video, we'll share 7 easy and affordable ways to take care of your body and mind without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Eating out can be expensive and unhealthy. Cooking at home is not only cheaper, but also allows you to control what goes into your meals. Start with simple recipes and build your skills over time. Staying hydrated is one of the easiest and cheapest ways to stay healthy. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. You don't need a gym membership to stay fit. Take advantage of free resources like YouTube workout videos, jogging in the park, or doing bodyweight exercises at home. Getting enough sleep is crucial for your health, and it's completely free. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to boost your energy, mood, and immune system. Processed foods can be expensive and unhealthy. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and grains. They're not only affordable, but also packed with nutrients. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Practice mindfulness through meditation, journaling, or simply taking a few minutes to breathe and relax each day. Preventative care can save you money in the long run. Schedule regular checkups, take vitamins, and stay on top of your health to avoid costly medical bills later. And there you have it, 7 easy ways to stay healthy without breaking the bank. Start incorporating these tips into your routine and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.